Hey, welcome back to the Worldwide Machine Tool Warehouse. We've got a brand new Bridgeport mill here today. This is a Bridgeport 3-axis CNC knee mill with the third axis on the quill. You can get them 2 or 3 axis. 3-axis USA made AccuRite mill power control on a Bridgeport USA made mill. Just like your regular Bridgeports, 9x49 table, dovetail ways, everything's just like the manual Bridgeport, just with a control on it. Still got the variable speed head, so changing RPMs is easy. And then you're ready to do some CNC work. You want to do a bolt hole circle, come right down there, fill in the blank format, no G code, easy to use, anybody can walk up to it and learn it. Call us today. We'll help you with a new Bridgeport CNC mill for your shop.